Finally, the last set of problems, 23 through 26. It says, given these two equations, 23, solve for y in both equations. Now, personally, if I was doing these, I would see standard form, standard form. I would approach this as an elimination problem. However, I've got to follow directions. So, solve for y in both problems. Well, to get y on both sides, or to get y by itself, we got to subtract 2x from both sides. Those cancel, leaves me negative 3y is equal to, now remember, since this does not have an x and this does, we cannot combine them. We negative 2x minus 9. Now divide everything by negative 3. Those cancel, leaves me with y equals positive 2/3 x. Negative 9 divided by negative 3 is plus 3. For my second one, well, subtract x from both sides, and that gives me y equals negative x plus 8. And there we go. There's my two equations. 24, using a straight edge, graph the two equations on the same coordinate plane. Probably the most important part of this entire thing that students love to forget is that word straight edge. Use an ID, use a ruler, use the edge of a formula card, whatever you need to use a straight edge. Do not just eyeball it. Let's go ahead and graph both of those. We've got my first one, y-intercept is 3. Go ahead and plot that point. Slope is 2/3, rise 2, run 3, rise 2, run 3. And as per directions, and it's also just a good idea, always use a straight edge on these things. Also, please extend it across the graph. I get tons of students that will just stop right here and put the arrows of the last one. Go across. You never know where these things are going to hit. Second off, we've got negative x plus 8. Y-intercept is 8. Slope there is negative 1. So if m is negative 1, well, it always has to be a fraction. Just put it over 1. Rise negative 1 or fall 1 and run 1 to the right. Fall 1, run right. Fall 1, run right. And once again, use our straight edge. Extend across the graph. All right, 24 is done. I graph them. 25, do the lines intersect? Yes, they do. If they do intersect, what is their point of intersection? Well, I'm seeing 3, 5. 3, 5. Keep in mind on this one, though, that if they do intersect, had they been parallel lines and they did not intersect, your answer would have been no, and you would have had to leave this one completely blank. Congratulations, we're now finished with our review. Good luck on the test.